Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, we're in the last days of summer. August is almost to an end and September will start just in a few days. But here in the South where I am, it's still very hot. And certainly not too hot for a glass of lemonade. So I want to show you one last table for the summer season. This is my lemon tablescape. So let's look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using a beautiful lemon pattern tablecloth that I got from William & Sonoma. It has whole lemons and half lemons, lemon blossoms on a white background. And I'm going to pair my lemon dishes that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using my parrot green napkins today. And I have the matching lemon salad plates. For the flatware, I'm going to be using my bamboo flatware. I use it a lot. It pairs so nicely with lots of different things. And also, Dollar Tree had the stemware that went with the pattern, and it has the lemons going around. So I decided to get those too. I've got the water glass, and then I also have the iced tea glass, or in this case, the lemonade glass. For the centerpiece, I've used fresh flowers today, and I've put this floral arrangement in a white compote. Actually, it's a set of 3 milk glass compotes. The largest one is at the bottom, and then there's a middle size, and the small one sits in the top. And I've just taken some Oasis foam and then filled them in with lots of little happy daisies. I've got yellow daisies and white daisies. I've also used some variegated hosta foliage. And I've taken some lemons and put them on wood skewers and put whole lemons in. And there's also some green hydrangeas too. I like this little stacking set of compotes. I found them at an antique shop years ago, and I've used them at Easter time and different seasons, but they just stack together. Here on this end of the table, I have a lemon pitcher. And I guess this is a little lemon saver. Perhaps after you've used half of the lemon, you can put the other half, I suppose, in that and put it in the fridge for later. And here I have 2 matching little, I guess they're cupcake stands. And they're a lemon pattern. I found them this year at Walmart. I thought they were really sweet. They had a few lemon things. And I think these dishes are some of the prettiest that Dollar Tree has had. I bought mine last year, but they had them again this year. Of course, they're long since gone now. But I didn't get the glasses, and so this year I went back and I got the stemware. I don't know, they may have had them last year, but if they did, they were sold out when I found them. And then, like I said, I paired them with this tablecloth. I had them first, and then when I found the tablecloth online, I just had to order it. I thought it was so pretty. I'll show you around the edge. It has a yellow band. And this tablecloth was a bit pricey at William & Sonoma, but I had to have it. I thought it would pair so pretty with these dishes. I think the tablecloth cost more than all the dishes. But anyway, It was a splurge, but it was worth it. And here I have a really sweet lemon teapot. And I've got some little lemon bowls that I've just set around the table. They too came from Walmart, but they never got in enough. I couldn't get 6, so I could only find 4, so I just scattered them around the table. And I've got a lemon pie plate, and I have it setting on another milk glass cake stand. I think it's so cute. It has the slices of lemons going around, and you could put your lemon icebox pie in that, or your lemon meringue pie. It would be really cute in that. Here at the other side of the table, I have this milk glass cupcake stand, and I've just set a little lemon dish on it too. And at the back side, I have my lemonade carafe, and I have it setting on a square milk glass cake stand. I like to put carafes on cake stands. I suppose you could set them on the edge of the table, but I can set it here and easily be able to put a glass under it. But this one here on the front, it says refreshing lemonade. And I picked that up at Market several years ago. I thought that was such a pretty piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below, share it with a friend, and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.